You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. This is a word meaning goat meat. There's going to be different pronunciations. In English, the more common, more standard pronunciation is as Chevon. Sh with not ch, Chevon with a stress on the second syllable. Chevon. Now, depending on the country where it's used, I believe there's quite a few countries that say it as Chevon. Chevon. Okay, so that also exists as a pronunciation. More generally, Chevon or Chevon. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.